Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I finally received my Celine order that I was talking about in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, I'm gonna have it linked up here and also in the description box. It is another double Celine unboxing. I'm still in my Celine fever, and so I have these 3 pieces to unbox with you, and then later this month, maybe next month, I should receive another package from Celine, which I am very excited for as well, and it will probably be like, you know, the finale of my Celine obsession, hopefully. Like, I definitely need to stop at this point. But anyway, we have 3 cute pieces. These 2 are SLGs, and I'm going to show them to you in a minute. And then over here in this box, I have a pair of shoes. So let's probably start with the smallest item, which is right here in this cute little box. So I ordered all of these pieces online, and honestly I am pretty satisfied ordering stuff from Celine.com, but at the same time I want to say that their shipping takes forever. So I've been waiting for this packages for about 2 weeks, and now with the deliveries working pretty fast, you expect it to be at your place in like 2 days, and that's what it says on the website. It says from 2 to 12 days depending on the availability. All of the pieces were available, so I don't know why it took them so long. I had to call them and double check if the order was even processed, because it has this status of submitted, which is like the very basic one once you pay for the items, for about 10 days. So I had to call the customer service to ask what's going on, and so the guy processed it directly when was on the phone with me, and then I guess like 4 days later, maybe 5 days later, I received a message from my bank saying that the amount from Celine was released, but at the same time I received an email from Celine that my parcel was shipped. So it was slightly confusing for me. I was just like, so did they cancel my order? Has it been shipped? Are they offering it for free? Like, what is going on here? I didn't quite understand. And then I called the customer service again, and they told me that everything has been shipped out. Maybe it's some sort of a glitch from the bank or their system. And he gave me the tracking code. For some reason, the website, the email doesn't provide you with one. So he gave me the tracking code. I could track down my parcel. It arrived in 2 days. And then the money was taken out of my bank account again. So, you know, the whole process was a little bit confusing, and it took quite a while, but we are finally here. And so here is the dust bag, and it's a small little piece that you know, I wasn't thinking of getting at first, but then I just saw it on the website and I thought it was so cute. It's this business card holder in the Triomphe monogram in the canvas leather. I really love the tan leather details all around the card holder, and it's a cute little piece. I haven't seen one like this before. I haven't seen one in store, but it is pretty spacious, and probably this is what I loved about this piece so much and why I have decided to go for it, because I do have very thin, very small card holders that don't hold a lot of cards, and I do have quite a bit of cards. Here in Switzerland, you just get cards everywhere, and I have so many of them that I use my old Chanel card holder because it holds a lot, but it's so old and I really want to replace it at this point. So I have decided to go for this one. I think it's so perfect. The other card holders I have, once again, are way too slim or way too big. So I definitely have to maybe sell the ones I don't use. What's the point of having them? But I really like this one. I know it's going to be very durable because of the canvas, and the price was, you know, the price was good. It was $3.55, and I feel like now you can get a very slim regular card holder at like Gucci or something for around the same price. So I thought it was a very good price for a piece like this, so I ended up going for it, and I think it's so cute. The next piece is over here, and it is such a cutie as well. I saw it on this one stylist. She's a stylist slash influencer, and you know, I spotted it very randomly she posted like a tiny little picture of herself on stories. You could barely see her, but then I spotted this thing and I was like, oh, what is that? I need it. So the packaging, here is the dust bag, and the item I ended up going for, ta-da, it's this very, very cute phone holder slash card holder. And I spoke about a piece like this that I have from Dior in a video of my useless purchases, and I mentioned that I wish it had a strap, and this one does. It's so freaking cool. So it's not as big as the one from Dior. You cannot fit like too many cards, you cannot fit your bills, there is nothing like that, but here it is. It is the same as the card holder I've just shown you. So it has this canvas Triomphe monogram, tan leather, very beautiful. It says Celine over here. Here is the strap, and can you see, you can wear it like this as a cool little, you know, necklace accessory, or you can make it a longer strap and you can wear it crossbody as a tiny little bag. And this is how I want to use this thing, especially on like vacations and stuff like that, when I don't need to carry anything except for my phone, like a tiny lip balm and some cards. So I think this is so perfect for that. And let me show you what it has. So this is what it looks like at the back, and at the back it has this hidden pocket for your cards. So one card slot. I'm still not sure how many cards you can fit in there, but then when you open it, it has the same, by the way, closure as the card holder. So when you open it, it's like a little flap. It has another card slot in the front over here, and then it has this compartment for your phone. So I have the iPhone Pro Max, I think it's the 14 Pro Max, and can you see it fits right in there, and voila, this is what it looks like. The only thing is that it's not as wide at the bottom as it is on the top. Can you see? That's why I feel like if it was of the same width at the bottom as well, it could potentially fit a little bit more, but it doesn't, but it's okay. You know, my phone still fits, and yeah, it's all I need basically. So here it is, very, very cute, very easy to use. You know, I don't think I can fit anything else inside. I mean, there is a little bit of room over here, but it's not like I'm gonna stuff it to the point it breaks. So I thought this is such a cute little accessory. I don't see a lot of people talk about it on social media. I even tried doing my research on YouTube. I was trying to see, you know, some reviews on this little piece before making my mind and before going for it. And honestly, I didn't see a single review in English. All of them were, I believe, like in Korean or Japanese, but a lot of Asian people love it. I'm also Asian. I think that's why I love it as well. I don't know, maybe it's something that only Asian people like. I have no idea, because I haven't seen anybody else with this little purse. And by the way, the stylist, she's also Asian. She's Kazakh, just like me. So what a coincidence. I don't know, but I think it's very cool. I think it's so underrated because it is such a cute little piece. And I don't remember the exact price, but I think it was around $5.75, something around that price point. In my opinion, also very good pricing, because for the Dior one I paid way more, and the Chanel one was, you know, around 1,000. Right now I think it's around 1,500 for a piece like this, but without a strap. So I think this was priced really, really well, and I would highly recommend it. I think it is such a cool piece, and I think I'm even gonna wear it today because I need to go to town to get a few things. I don't really need anything on me except for my phone and the credit card. So yeah, I think I'm going to take it with me today. And lastly, we have a big box over here. I cannot hold it because it's quite heavy, and let me just unbox it from here. I have these receipts from the entire order. We have 2 dust bags, and I'm gonna come closer for you guys to see the shoes. They're black, like really dark, and the same color as the wrapping inside. So I'm going to take them out and show them to you guys. So the boots I ended up going for are this chunky, sort of military looking boots in nylon. They are so hard to find. They're always sold out in every single size. And I was so lucky they came back in stock in my size. So they were available in a few sizes, 37.5, 38, and I believe it's like a 40 or a 41. So I got myself a size 38. This is what the shoe looks like. It has the Celine logo in leather. The rest of the shoe is all in nylon. This little front part is in leather as well. And at the back, we have Celine written in white paint. And yeah, I think they're so freaking cool. I have a pair of Prada boots similar to this one, the Prada nylon boots, the one that also come with the 2 little pouches on the side. But I compared the 2 and they're still completely different. I mean, the materials and the colors are pretty much the same, leather and nylon. But I really love the way that this boot looks more now this season, because those shoes, they have a more square toe, but I prefer this style more, I think. So this is what the bottom part looks like. I already tried them on to see if the size was correct, and my Prada ones are 37.5, and after pregnancy I feel like they're a little bit tight on me. That's why I went for 38 in this ones. And these ones are they're not tight, they're good, but they're slightly big, just a little bit, but I think it's better than tight, because this is a non-stretchy fabric, so I think it's better to go half a size bigger. But in general, I would say they run pretty much true to size, because I wasn't sure. It's my very first pair of Celine shoes, and I really like them so far. The price is 920, which is, you know, it is quite pricey for the nylon, in my opinion. But, you know, I just checked out the other shoes, the leather boots, for example, from other brands similar to this one, like Gucci and Prada and LV, and all of their boots are like almost 2K. So I think 920 is a good price for a full boot. It doesn't have any leather lining inside. There is no lining at all, so it's yeah, it's nylon basically all inside. And so I think I'm gonna have to walk in them for a bit at home to see if they give any blisters or not. Hopefully not, otherwise I will have to return them, because I don't want to make the same mistakes again. I don't want to buy shoes that are uncomfortable. I really want to use my shoes and wear my shoes as much as I can, since they cost so much money, you know. But I thought I'm going to show you. So here is the bag that I also got very recently, and they go really well together. They have the same color and, you know, the same logo. So I thought this is a very cool combo. Can you see? They're exactly the same. And even my rain jacket, I returned it yesterday. The DHL guy came to pick it up to send it back to Farfetch. So hopefully they'll accept it and I will be able to get the one in my size. And then I feel like I'm gonna have the total Celine look that I was going for. I'm so excited because, you know, I used to buy different things from different designers and they wouldn't really work together, or they would look a little bit too much. If, for example, my LV bags had monogram and then my Gucci shoes also had monogram, it was just too much monogram wearing the two together. But here I have a bag with a monogram, I have my boots with a monogram, but it's the same monogram, it's the same color, so it works, you know, it looks good. So I'm very happy about all of these purchases, so happy I managed to get these shoes. What do you think about these items? I'm gonna link all of these pieces in the description box if you're also interested in purchasing them. I actually saw Farfetch sell these boots as well for a lower price than the official website, by the way, so check it out. I'll try, if they still have sizes, I will link the shoes from Farfetch as well in the description box, and I also have a code from Farfetch. It will also be in the description box. By the way, guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Aika. Welcome. If you like these types of videos, I would love to have you here. Just click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. I usually post every Thursday and every Sunday/Monday. And you can also follow me on my Instagram accounts. The first one is @BonjourAika and the second one is @StyleGramDaily. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!